Hi, so we're just doing, finishing up our macromolecules of life testing for sugar. And so here are my test tubes. My first one, which was my glucose, turned red. My potato starch didn't do anything, it just stayed blue. Back there, my onion turned brown, and then again my distilled water turned, blue. So what that tells us is that the red had some reducing sugars in there, and the brown one, which was the onion, had even more amounts of reducing sugar. So, and then the blue, the potato starch and the water did not change, so there were no amounts of any reducing sugar in there. And reducing sugars are just carbon chains that have high active aldehyde groups, which brings me to the difference between an aldose and a ketose. It's just the backbone for carbohydrate, the structure that's different. So an aldose is a carb that contains an aldehyde, and then your ketose is a carbohydrate that contains a ketose. So your chain's just going to look different. The ketose has an oxygen, a carbonyl group with two carbons coming off of it, so you're going to have an oxygen somewhere in the middle of that carbon chain, whereas your aldose, your oxygen, your carbonyl will be at the end because it only needs one carbon coming off of it and then a hydrogen coming off the other one. So this just gave us a better idea of what monosaccharides and polysaccharides kind of do in real life situations, and explain kind of the reducing sugars parts of that. Okay, thanks, bye.